In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud to sync bookmarks and tab groups with Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Have you ever wished you could seamlessly access your favorite websites and open tabs across all your Apple devices? Well, that's exactly what we're going to achieve by setting up iCloud to keep your Safari bookmarks and tab groups in perfect harmony on all your gadgets. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to iCloud via the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. To do this, open the Settings app and look towards the top of the menu. There, you'll see your name, tap on it. This takes you to your Apple ID settings, where you'll find a variety of options relating to your account and device management. Once you're in, look for iCloud as your next stop. Tap on iCloud and you'll be led to a page detailing all the apps and data types that can be synced via iCloud. The next step is to locate the Safari option in this list. You might need to tap on See All if you don't spot it immediately, as this option allows you to view a comprehensive list of apps that can use iCloud. Once you find Safari, make sure to toggle the switch to On. By turning this on, you're enabling Safari to use iCloud, meaning your bookmarks and tab groups will be uploaded and synchronized across any device where you're signed in with the same Apple ID. Now this part is crucial. Repeat these steps on any other iOS or iPadOS devices you own. This is important because iCloud needs to be set up on each device you want synchronized. On your other iPhones, iPads, or even iPods, go through the same process by heading into the Settings app, tapping your name, navigating to iCloud, and ensuring that Safari is switched on. Make sure you're using the same Apple ID on all your devices. This allows iCloud to keep your bookmarks and tab groups consistently synchronized, creating a seamless browsing experience no matter which device is in your hands. And there you have it. By following these simple steps on each of your Apple devices, you ensure that your browsing experience remains uninterrupted and as efficient as possible, with all your favorite bookmarks and current tabs just a tap away. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Safari experience across your devices. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy surfing!